Hi everyone. So today we are going to build a EMI recovery dashboard in Power BI. So this is the data set which I have prepared, and I'm going to use this data set to build the EMI recovery dashboard in Power BI. So this is the first table, EMI data, so which is having EMI ID, then debt key, reason key, loan type, risk key, then we have EMI amount, then recovery amount, then is recovered or not, true and false, then delay days, and target amount. So this is the first table, and then second table is date, Jan, Feb, March, April, and quarter 1, quarter 2, like data I am showing. Then we have reason data, north, south, east, west, and central. So this is what I have written over here. Then loan type is personal loan, home loan, auto loan, or business loan. Then risk level, high, low, medium. So these are the data which I have prepared, and I am going to use them to build the dashboard in Power BI. So what is the purpose of I question may come that what is the purpose of building the EMI recovery dashboard in Power BI? So I would say that EMI Recovery Intelligence Dashboard and is designed to help financial institutions and NBFCs and banks. They can monitor and analyze and improve the efficiency of EMI, monthly installment recovers across loans or customers and regions. So they can check it out through dashboard. Okay, they'll see the dashboard that reason wise this is the recovery amount, or this is the customer type, these are the risk, high, low, medium, and they will able to check these data. So that's the purpose of building the EMI recovery dashboard in Power BI. So let's start importing so let's import the data now. So let's click on get data, Excel workbook, and this is our data set. I'm going to import it. Now I'm going to select the table names, all table names, load. Now data is getting imported, okay, into Power BI engine. So see, load is happening, okay, and all tables will be loaded into Power BI engine. See, now all tables are here, now. Second step, what we do, we go for transform data. It is very much important to check the headers and data types in under transform data. Otherwise, while building the dashboard, definitely there will be some kind of challenges. We will not able to see the expected result. Okay, so see, first data is there. So what it is, date key, but it is not, it is reflecting in date. We have different format, right? So date replace current. Now this is the correct one, it is reflecting. Then month, quarter, year, those are correct. EMI data, so EMI ID date key, we have to change this date key because it is selected as whole number. So date key replace. The reason, loan type, it is okay. Risk key, it is okay. EMI amount, recovery amount is recovered, delays, and target amount, those are reflecting correctly, fine. Then loan type is also okay. Reason data is also okay. Risk level, it is also okay. Now what we have to do, we have to click on close and apply. So whatever the changes we have made, those are applied. Now third step is that model view. So we have to check the model view. Okay, so let's drag it here and let's check it out that data is correct, relationships are made or not. So as you could see, this first loan type key is connected, this is our loan type data. So it is having loan type key, and in EMI data also loan type key is there. So it is already, relationship is already created by Power BI. Then we have risk level data. So here in this data also risk key is there, so it is already connected. Then we have here date key is connected. In reason, so reason key is connected. So all relationships are already created, so we do not have to do anything. Now let's go on report view. Now we change the background color here, and Canva background color. So I would select this color code, #1B 2A 3A. So this I want to select it. Okay, now transparency I want to have here is Okay, 25. First we have to put the title of the dashboard. So let's select the text box, then title. Let's write EMI Recovery Intelligence Dashboard, right? This is okay. Now we have to change the font, so I'll take this, let's make it 20, then bold, and it should be black as of now. We'll change it later, middle, and also put the subtitle. So I want to put the subtitle as Recovery Insights. Insights for smarter credit management. Okay, now select the standard one. Let's make it 15, bold, text should be black, middle, effect, so background off. Now what we have to do, change the text color to white. Okay, here also we'll have to change the text color to white, and let's make it like 20 to 25, and this 15. Okay, now it is okay. So this is our title of the dashboard. Now what first we have to add the KPI cards. So we will be adding the KPI cards here, and then we will be showing the data. Okay, so let's add this card new visual. Okay, this is the smart one, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so here we have to add total EMI amount, then recovered amounts. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the DAX query, and to write the DAX query, first I'll create the separate table, and table would be DAX table. Okay, load, then we have here DAX table. So I'm going to write the query here, new measure. So first total EMI amount. Okay, total EMI amount equal to sum. Okay, so we have to select the sum method, and after selecting the sum method, we have to select we have to select table name. So table name is EMI data, and column name is amount. Okay, so column name is EMI amount, this one. Done, close the parenthesis. So first DAX query is written. Similarly, we have to write another one, new measure, then we have to write total recovery equal to sum, then we have to select EMI and data, and here we have a recovery amount. So I'm going to select this recovery amount. Done. Similarly, we have to write another one, new measure, recovery percentage, so divide. So how we will find the recovery percentage, we have already calculated total EMI and total recovery amount, so we will use those. So total recovery, we have to select here total recovery, this comma total EMI amount. Okay, close parenthesis. So recovery percentage calculated. Now again we have to go for new measure. Now average delay average delay equal to average delay days equal to average. We have average method, and we will select EMI data and delays days. Okay, close parenthesis, done. Now next one is target achievement. So achievement percentage, let's put the percentage equal to, so divide total recovery amount comma sum total EMI data target amount. Here is the target amount, right? Done. So we have written the DAX queries, and let's delete this one. EMIs amount, right? Pending EMIs amount, pending EMIs, okay, equal to, so count rows, then we have to select filter, okay, EMI data comma EMI is recovered. We have one column here, is recovered, okay, equal to false, and now close parenthesis, done. So we are done with writing the DAX queries. Now let's drag and drop to this KPI card. Okay, so first it would be total EMI amount, so I'm going to select this, then recovered amount, so total recovered amount, then we want to show pending amounts, okay, pending EMIs, so this, then we want to show recovery percentage here, recovery percentage. Now let's do the formatting for this. So let's come here, and we have layouts, first layer 3, so let's show 4, okay, it is reflecting effects of, okay, background off, then go to visual, and so let's enable the border one, okay, we want to have the border, so we can change the border color and call out values, so it is 45, let's make it 20, and 25, we can make it 25, and font would be this, bold, and then text color is black, then this should be a middle, label is also on, so let me select the font 12 is okay, and text color would be black, and I'm going off, okay, now border is okay, border, okay, it is okay, to change the text color, right, text color, so it should be white now, and label should be white, right, now it is okay. Now bar chart, I'm going to use the stacked bar chart, and I'll put this here to select the total recovery amount, right, recovery amount, then we have to select the data as reason, so we have data, we have table here, reason name, right, so this is the data it is reflecting, right. So we can do the formatting here now, so let's do the formatting. So first we have to off the background, okay, let's select this, and then we have general, effect off. Okay, see this. Now let's do the formatting here. So y-axis we have used y-axis, so let's do this one. This should be 12, and bold should be white. Then title, so title font should be our standard one, 12, bold, white, right? Then layout, so it is okay. X-axis, we have the data in x-axis, so values and title, we have to work upon values and title. So this 12, then bold, let's color white. Okay, then title also change the format, 12, bold, white, done. Now color is okay. Grid line, it is showing grid line. Okay, we can make it off, not required. Okay, zoom select, and we can put some other color as well here for border. Enable the data labels. Okay, it is important. So data labels and values. So let's select this, and let's select the white. Now it is reflecting, right? And we have title and total recovery. So I want to write recovery by reason. Okay, recovery by reason. Now this should be our standard one. This, let's make it 15, and let's give bold size, text color white, and let's give it a middle, right? Recovery by reason. So we can say recovery by reason, right? So we are done with this. This looks good, right? Decomposition tree. Okay, so I'm going to put this here and explain by. Okay, so in analyze I'm going to put the recovery percentage, and then explain by. So there I would put loan type. Okay, so we have the table here, loan type name, and select this. Then we have risk data, risk level, EMI data. So risk level, this is the table, risk level, then reason name. So we have reason name, here it is. Okay, now if you expand this, see this, like how you want to see the data, loan type. Okay, so based on that it is selected. Now again business is chosen, so I want to select risk level, so it is reflected, right? Again we can do it further here also at high or low, so it will reflect likewise, right? So let's change the formatting first. So I'll use the format painter, this format painter, and put it here. Okay, now we can do some kind of formatting. So analyzer, absolute. Okay, now tree default, it is default. Okay, now filter highlights, it is okay. Then we have this selected line. So we are showing the data recovery percentage, right? Recovery percentage, right? So let it be, we are not changing the color here. Then we have this. Okay, bar level maximum, so this is okay, no problem. Colors, so colors are okay. Negative is this color, so negative should be red. Okay, bar background color is this, it is okay, no problem. Now we have category labels, so we have to work upon this. I'm going to semi bold, let's make it 12, and bold and white, so it is reflecting, right? And now let's change the values. So this should be standard one, and font, this headers are okay. Like we can change the font. Let's make it black. Subtitle is also okay, so we are supposed to show this black, so subtitle is reflecting, and it should be 12. Okay, this is okay, right? Now a ribbon chart, so I'm going to put this here. This is the ribbon chart, and here the date column, this. So I'm going to use month, and then we are going to use loan type. Okay, so we have loan type name, then recovery percentage. So recovery percentage is added in. Now let's use the format painter, put this here. Okay, now let total levels, we can enable the total levels as well. This it is also. Okay, this is done. We are done with this. Now I want to add scatter chart. So this is our scatter chart, so I'm going to use it here. Okay, and here I want to add delays days. So we have average delays, then recovery amount, total recovery amount, then we have EMI amount, total EMI amount, we have risk level, okay, then we have loan types, we have reason, okay, so this, okay. Now let's do the formatting, format painter, this. Now let's change the title first. So I want to show the title as I wanted to show. Now let's this one is done, recovery versus delays days. Come to visual, now legends, text color should be white. Okay, title tips I want to add here, reason and loan type. I want to add here. Okay, and play axis I didn't want to add. Size EMI amount is okay. Legends I didn't want to add anything. Y axis is recovery amount and axis is delays days. X axis is delays days. Okay, then we have risk level, it should be in legends. Okay, so I'm going to just put this here. Risk level, and here it would be values, x-axis delays days, y-axis recovery amount, legends, total size is total amount, tooltip. Now it is okay. Okay, I'm going to add Q&A. So let's add Q&A visual, and here you can ask the question like total recovery amount, total recovery amount in pie chart. So if I hit the enter, it will give us the data. Okay, it is analyzing it right now. So see this, it is giving the data. Sum of the recovery amount is 6.43. And let's do the formatting here. So this, let me select format printer, put this here. So done. Now we can do some formatting here also. Question field, this, let's make it 12, color is okay, and it should be God chart. Okay, and here I want to show, like, we have written target achievement. Okay, so this is the target achievement. Let's copy paste, do the formatting. So this is target achievement. Next one would be average delays. Here we can show so we are showing pending EMIs, right? Recovery percentage, target achieving, average delays. Then we can show here. Okay, do the formatting. So target achievement it is. Let's do some formatting. Now we are going to add the slicer here. So slicer would be okay. So since we are showing the data reason wise, loan types wise, delays days, okay, so so we are going to change the formatting here. So let's select this, paste, pen. Okay, now let's do the formatting. Drop down, selection should be select all. Okay, it should be 12, this, and white, right? Now moving on, values. So font color should be, put this one. So loan type, right? Loan type, it is reflecting. We can do the copy paste and put this here again. So this would be reason, not loan type, reason name, and this would be risk level. Okay, so now let's check this out, it is working or not. Select all first. This is also all, this is also all, sorry, all. So now let's check this out that it is working. So if I select only auto, so this data got changed, everything, like every data is being changed. See, here also it is getting changed. And if I select central, see this, okay, visuals are working. Risk level, high, low, medium. Suppose I want to see the personal loan. Suppose let's select all, and I want to check this out, that personal loan region I want to select only the south, and what is the risk, like high. So based on this filter, I'm getting the total EMI amount, total recovery amount is this, pending EMI is only one, recovery percentage 0.88. okay, so south, this data I'm getting like 103k. so here also I'm getting the same data here also, per recovery percentage 0.88 and personal loan 0.88, right? Based on that, here also the filter is happening, recovery percentage by loan types. okay, so here also data is being displayed. okay, here in recovery versus delays days also it is showing that since we have selected the high risk, so high risk it is showing risk level is high, and average delays days is also showing here. okay, now here also total EMI amount is showing, but I want to change, then we can change. If I go ahead and if I select low, so low is pending 3 EMIs. If I select medium, so see data is getting changed, right? If I go ahead and if I select central, if I select both, right? So how this data is being changed. So this looks good. okay, so this is how you can develop EMI Recovery Intelligence Dashboard in Power BI. So I'll put the link of dataset in description box, and there you can download and you can do the practice on this, and that's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.